Hello everyone, Mega Wolf Warrior here. Today I'm gonna play What's Inside My Bag. Let's start. Oh gosh, old Spider-Man costume. Ooh. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, the shorts that I can wear for my Spider-Man costume. The socks for my my Spider-Verse Spider-Man costume. One sec. Here's the other one. What else? Oh yeah, my Pokemon belt has like Charmander, Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Ivysaur. I can't rap. Got this shirt. What's this shirt? Oh, this is my. I was a big fan to Pokemon when I was a kid, and Digimon, but Pokemon was my first real love of anime. Ooh, wigs. There's this wig. It's all green. It's not the Deku green, but it's the all green wig. There's this wig, the Jack Frost wig. I don't know if I shown you all the Jack Frost cosplay I've done. I don't even know where it is anymore. Let's see what else is in here. Oh yeah, my Spider-Man mask. This is a different Spider-Man mask than I wear. One sec, let's see if I can do it. On second thought, I think I should Febreze this thing. I left them in the bag for so long, I think. I don't realize how long I left them there. Ooh. Got a red wig. A black hair wig. A black haired wig. A red wig. Another. I accidentally bought two of these black haired wigs. A Punisher box? I think I know what's in here. Yes, my Punisher wallet. I actually like my One Piece wallet better, to be honest, but this is my Punisher wallet. What else do I have? And a yellow pencil. I think that's about it. One sec, let me. Anyway, that's about it. So until next time, love ya. Stand out and be the best you can be. Bye.